How to rearrange pages in PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this, you have a website called I Love PDF. So simply go to your browser and then search for I Love PDF and it will lead you to this page. Now you will have a separate option of organizing your PDF pages, that is this page numbers. So simply upload your PDF file over here and you will be able to reorder your pages in a PDF file. Or if you want to change the PDF pages and rearrange it, you can easily do it from the edit PDF option. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.